has already doubled.
He needs a fleet of research assistants before this breakthrough breaks them.
We need lab techs, research assistants.
Indeed can help him hire great people fast.
I need Indeed.
Indeed you do. We instantly connect you with quality candidates whose resumes on Indeed match your job description. Visit Indeed.com/credit and get $75 towards your first sponsored job. Terms and conditions apply.
I used to get frequent heartburn at night, so I made Prilosec OTC part of my morning routine.
One pill in the morning, 24 hours, zero heartburn with Prilosec OTC. It's possible while taking Prilosec OTC. Use as directed for 14 days to treat frequent heartburn, not for immediate relief.
Your bills are due on the 13th, but you don't get paid until the 15th. Sound familiar? Life doesn't always wait for payday. Get the NetSpend All-Access account for your everyday mobile banking needs and get paid up to 2 days faster with direct deposit. Get started today at netspend.com and go beyond banking. Banking services provided by an account established by password and name member FDIC. Faster access based on comparison of our ACH processing policy versus posting funds and settlement. Deposit account opening is subject to registration and ID verification. Terms and costs apply.
KCBS News Time 742, our News Watch continues.
Well, if you're headed out to buy your Halloween costume today, KCBS's Megan Goldsby has a request from store owners in the Bay Area. Why not shop locally?
You get to dress up for work every day when you own a costume shop, and Jenny DeYoung, who owns Disguise the Limit in Santa Rosa, is in hologram chaps, a highlighter neon party wig, and a beautiful array of sparkles and spangles.
Today I am a space cowboy or cowgirl.
And that is the kind of creativity she says she and her staff are bringing to each person who walks in the door looking for a costume.
And I'll sit with people and be like, okay, I think you could do this, that, and the other. You can go to, Michael's or Joann's for this. You can get these elements from me, whatever it is. And so we're here to help. We're not it's not about making a dollar for me. It's about really making dreams happen.
Which she says is an advantage that your local costume shop has over the superstores that possess empty buildings each October.
Our busiest weekend should be now and also next weekend. I've definitely seen some slowness. I don't know if it's because we're contending with Spirit and people ordering online.
Farron and Sarah, who live in Healdsburg, tell me shopping locally is important to them. They came in to get matching costumes.
We're both being Marilyn Monroe.
I kind of love that more.
This is going to be amazing. Whose idea was that?
Joint idea. The theme of the party we're going to is Dead Hollywood.
In Santa Rosa, Megan Goldsby, KCBS.
We're just a minute away from a check on the KCBS Sports Line.
If you own a business, this has been a bumpy ride. From pandemic to inflation, I'm sure you could use a break. If your business has 5 or more employees and survived COVID, you might be eligible to receive a payroll tax refund of up to $26,000 per employee. The challenge is getting your hands on it. Hi, I'm Howard Mackler, and that's why I founded GetRefunds.com to cut through the red tape and get you the money. The team of tax attorneys we have put together are highly trained in this little-known payroll tax refund program. We do all the work, charge not a dime up front, and simply share a percentage of the cash that we get for you. Businesses of all types can qualify, including those that took PPP, nonprofits, and even those that had increases in sales. We have helped return over $1 billion to businesses, and we can help you too. Just go to getrefunds.com/news, click on Qualify Me, and answer a few questions. This payroll tax refund is only available for a limited period of time. Don't lose out on up to $26,000 per employee. Go to getrefunds.com/news. That's getrefunds.com/news.
Buy your brand new car completely online at DGDG.com.
Coming up on KCBS, Bay Area fans of the classic novel Moby Dick settle in for a long night of reading.
KCBS News Time 7:45. We're talking sports, and we're going to start with hockey. The Sharks did not get a win yesterday. They went down to the New Jersey Devils 2-1. They'll have another shot, but this against the Flyers today. The puck will drop at 4 o'clock this afternoon. In college football news, Cal going down to Washington 28-21, but Stanford won by just 1 point against Arizona State, 15-14. The 49ers will face off against the Chiefs. That's this afternoon at Levi Stadium around 1:25, and the Warriors taking on the Sacramento Kings today. Tip-off at 5:30. With more sports news now, here's Joe Hughes.
Former San Francisco Giants manager Bruce Bochy announced that he is coming out of retirement and will be back in a major league dugout beginning next season. The legendary skipper has been hired as the new manager of the Texas Rangers. The 67-year-old agreeing on a 3-year deal, hoping hoping to help bring some of that Bochy magic to a team that won just 68 games last season. And that was despite committing nearly $500 million to free agents. Former Giants outfielder Hunter Pence, who loved his 8 seasons playing under Bruce Bochy, explained why Boch is perfectly suited for his new job.
When he comes into the room changes. He has, he knows he has a wit. He's funny. He's also, he has a way of getting you to feel comfortable and knowing what buttons to push to get you there. But also, you just enjoy being around him and you want to give everything you have for him. He has a way of inspiring you.
That is Hunter Pence speaking with MLB Network. And under MLB's new balanced schedule, where every team will play each other beginning next season, the Rangers and their new manager Bruce Bochy set for a visit to San Francisco in August of next year. From the sports desk, Joe Hughes, KCBS.
California has millions of homes that could be damaged in a strong earthquake, and earthquakes are inevitable in the Golden State. An older home is especially vulnerable to earthquake damage, so you may need to take steps to strengthen it and help reduce the chance of damage. Visit strengthenmyhouse.com to learn about better protecting your home from earthquake damage. The work may cost less than you think and can often be completed in a few days. You've worked hard to get a home. Now's the time to protect it. Get prepared today so you can worry less tomorrow. Visit strengthenmyhouse.com.
As a homeowner, adding an ADU is one of the smartest investments you can make. Hi, I'm Kamal the Builder from SF Bay ADU. We specialize in ADU design and construction. From permits to construction, we are your one-stop shop. Visit sfbayadu.com or call us at 408-461-9956. Right now, we are offering a 20% discount off your ADU design for the first 10 callers. Call 408-461-9956. That's 408-461-9956 for a 20% discount.
California, you deserve more, and with United Healthcare, you'll get more. Annual enrollment is October 15th through December 7th, so call United Healthcare today. With the United Healthcare Medicare Advantage Plan, you get more from your Medicare dollar, now including better than ever dental, vision, over-the-counter, and prescription drug coverage. Call United Healthcare at 1-888-CALL-UHC today and speak with a licensed sales agent. Benefits, features, and/or devices vary by plan and area. Limitations and exclusions apply.
Come to Shane Company to see the largest selection of engagement rings and wedding bands. How you have a friend in the jewelry business. Shane Company and ShaneCo.com.
6-day forecast straight ahead, but first up, let's get a check on the roads with Ted Ramey.
Yeah, we are looking pretty good out there right now, Eric. The biggest slowdown we have is a planned one, and that is going to be Mid-Peninsula, and it's intermittent, I should say. It's at both directions of 280 near Highway 35. Intermittent closures of both directions due to some road work. 5 to 10 minutes you'll be held. Then traffic will be released. This will be ongoing until 9 o'clock this morning. Right now, both directions are at the limit, but about 15 minutes ago, we did see things being stopped, so that's one to pay attention to. Otherwise, the rest of the Bay Area looks great right now. Just taking a look at my InstaView camera at the Bay Bridge Toll Plaza. Everything looks wide open right now, so if you are heading into the city on the upper deck of the Bay Bridge, it's wide open. Same story for the Golden Gate Bridge, same story for the Richmond Santa Fe Bridge, San Mateo Bridge, Dumbarton Bridge. Everything looking really good right now. Your next update, 7:58 on the traffic leader, KCBS.
Thanks, Ted, and the KCBS Bay Area 6-day forecast right now, at least in the financial district in San Francisco, looks really nice. The sun is out, and that is what we can expect throughout the day today around the Bay Area. Sunny skies, breezy conditions, high temperatures for the most part in the upper 60s to low 70s. Same story tomorrow, and then Tuesday through Friday, mild conditions expected throughout the week. A little bit of a mixed bag because we have partly to mostly sunny skies around the bay, but we do have a chance of seeing some rain. Up in the North Bay by Tuesday, high temperatures for the most part in the upper 60s and low 70s. Traffic and weather together on the 8s on All News, 106.9 and AM 740 KCBS.
KCBS News Time 7:50. Mary Hughes, Corey Smith at the editor's desk. More news now with Jennifer Hodges.
The Maritime Museum at San Francisco's Aquatic Park held a 24-hour reading of the novel Moby Dick. As KCBS's David Welch explains, it was a chance for fans of Melville's great novel to see it come to life.
The first question I asked Artistic Director Sean Owens just before starting his around-the-clock reading of Moby Dick, did he expect anyone in the audience to make it through from start to finish?
There are a few dedicated folks, and they receive a special award.
The interpretive collage of Melville's 1851 novel includes clowns, craft, and modern dance, among others. But it is, first and foremost, a line-by-line reading of all 155 chapters, plus the epilogue.
Call me Ishmael.